Hello everyone. The last video I was discussed about how to create a backlink from Quora.com to create a post, but today I share how to get more traffic for your website from Quora.com. So this video will be very important, and don't skip the video and subscribe my channel to get new video. Okay, let's go. You know, Quora.com is a very popular and famous community website in the world, and it has many visitors. If you check from similar website, Quora.com has 712.6 million visitors. It is very high visitor, and it will be perfect website to generate traffic for your website. If you follow this profile, you can see here is 𝗧𝗿𝗶𝗶, the owner of profile, and her total content view are 31.9 million content view and 323.2K for this month. So you can understand that how many visitors and how many traffic you can get for your website. You can see he have to only 509 answer and only one question and 152 post. So this way you can get more traffic. If you create post, you can take backlink and you can take more traffic. For if you follow her post, you can see he have to create a post and also he have to create a backlink. You can see this is her backlinks link, and you can see this post he have to create another backlink. Every post he have to create a backlink. So this way you can create post and you can create a backlink, and you can get more traffic for your website from Quora.com. If you want to create a backlink from Quora.com to create post, check the description box. Here is video link. Okay, today we give some question answer to get more traffic for our website. But today I take visitor for my YouTube channel, and my videos are about best free URL shortener website. So I am copy this title and search here. Okay, now we can see here is some our topic related question are available here. Okay, I take this question and you can answer from here. Click on answer. Okay, now I can answer from here. Now I am copy my content and paste here. Okay, this is my title, and here is you can see YouTube video link, and this is my videos link. Now I am mark this and click here and write link button. Now I am copy my YouTube link. Okay, now I am pasted my videos link and click on add. Now you can see here is my video link are add. Now I am post. Okay, my answer are done. You can see my profile. Yesterday I was create my profile, and for one day I have to get 43 content view. Today I create a answer. From here I can get a visitor for my YouTube channel. This way you can create an answer and you can get a backlink. Also you can visitor for your website or YouTube channel or blog post, and also you can create post here, and for post you can create backlink and you can get more traffic for your website.